Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome to the Joy of Blue collaboration video. This is hosted by Sarah at Crafting and Relaxing. And each month we can make anything as long as it has blue. Blue is her favorite color. Blue is my favorite color too, especially turquoise, but I used light sapphire and other shades of blue this month. I will also have a process slash design how I designed this one in particular because there's some interesting what not to do's in there. Anyway, there'll be a process video for both bracelets, mostly this one, in a follow-on video if you would like to watch that. So I had these Swarovski Elements sliders, and there was a pack of 8, and they have a light sapphire crystal in the middle. So I started off wanting to use these flower beads with it and maybe these beads, and I had some other beads and seed beads pulled out, and you'll see that in the process video. I just wasn't liking it because they felt like they overpowered these. So I went and searched, and I found one pack of 26 4mm bicone Swarovski crystals in light sapphire satin. I had gotten at Michael's in 2012, March of 2012. Wow, that's 11 years ago. Wow, I've been doing this. That's about when I started, late December. December 2011 is when I got my first jewelry kit from Michael's for Christmas and a book. And here I am today. So that's what this one looks like. Isn't it pretty? So it fits me 6 3/4 inch. I had intended, I only used 7 of these. I was going to use all 8, and then when I put the clasp on, I felt like it was too long. So I shortened it. Now it's a little shorter than I would like, so I probably should have used that. And I have 4 little Swarovski crystals left, which I'll use in another project coming up sometime soon. Because I seem to be in blue mode right now. And on this one, I also used some 4mm silver plated brass round beads. Those were from Fire Mountain. And I alternated crystal, silver, crystal, and silver, crystal, silver as the pattern. And then this little flower toggle came from Beadbox Bargains. I don't remember when I got it, but there's a pack of like 5 sets or something. I had some other ones out, and I talk about them in the design and process video, so you can watch that if you so choose. And then this one, I just wanted to, I had these beads out, so I thought, well, I'm going to use them too. It's another strung bracelet. I used the same clasp, and it's just a simple strung. Now this one is a little bit bigger. Let's see if I can get it on. I think it's about a 7 to 7.5 inch. Yeah, it's a little loose on me at 6 3/4. So I'd say that would fit snugly a 7.5 or loosely a 7, 7 1/4 inch wrist. But that's that one, and that's these 2-tone beads. Those were from Beadbox Bargains as a free gift, and these I got at a International Gem and Findings International Gem and Jewelry Bead Show in 2014. And all I did was alternate them. I just thought that was enough for that bracelet. And that's it. And then the little flower toggle clasp. So those are my projects for Joy of Blue for this month. I didn't make a whole lot. I got it strung a little loose, but it doesn't feel like that when you bend it. It's just when you lay it out flat. So, I'm meaning the beading wire was showing there at the ends, but when you bend it, it doesn't. So, I'd say it's perfect. You need a little flexibility. And if you want to see how I ended this and crimped it and what I used to do that, go watch the process video, which will be up sometime the same day here. Okay? Thank you again for watching. Please go check out Crafting and Relaxing, and anyone else that participated by clicking on the hashtag that is in the title, which I believe is Joy of Blue June 2023 or something like that. Might be Joy of Blue 2023 June. I can't remember. It'll be in the title. And we have a set one each month, so just use that and you should be able to find everyone. We post around noon on the 12th of each month. Take care. Have a great day. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.